Are you wondering how to integrate GetResponse with EverWebinar? Well, in this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to do it step by step, so you can effortlessly link these two powerful platforms and start automating your webinar marketing. Stick around, because at the end, I've got an exclusive extended free trial for EverWebinar that you won't want to miss. First off, let's talk about why you'd want to integrate GetResponse with EverWebinar in the first place. GetResponse is a fantastic email marketing platform, and when paired with EverWebinar, it allows you to automate and streamline your webinar registration process, follow-ups, and much more. By connecting these tools, you ensure that your webinars run smoothly and your audience stays engaged before, during, and after the event. So, the first thing you'll need is an account with both GetResponse and EverWebinar. If you haven't signed up yet, go ahead and do that now. Next, let's jump into the integration process. Once you're logged into both platforms, head to your EverWebinar dashboard and look for the Integration section. It's usually located under the Settings or Integrations tab. You'll see a variety of options for connecting third-party tools. Click on GetResponse, and you'll be prompted to enter your GetResponse API key. If you're unsure where to find this, don't worry. Just head to your GetResponse account, go to the Integrations section, and you'll be able to find your API key there. Once you've copied your API key from GetResponse, paste it into the designated field in EverWebinar and hit Connect. Now, your two platforms are officially linked. The next thing you want to do is decide which webinar registration details you'd like to capture in GetResponse. Typically, this includes basic information like name, email address, and maybe phone number. When someone registers for your EverWebinar, this data will automatically flow into your GetResponse list, so you can easily follow up with them later using your email marketing campaigns. Now that your integration is set up, let's move on to the next step. You'll want to create automated email sequences in GetResponse to engage your attendees before and after your webinar. You can set up a confirmation email to go out once someone registers, and then add reminders closer to the event. After the webinar, you can send a thank you email, a replay link, or even a special offer related to your content. Next, let's talk about advanced features. With this integration, you can use GetResponse's segmentation features to tailor your email campaigns based on the attendee's behavior. For example, if someone attends your webinar, you can tag them in GetResponse and send them exclusive content or offers related to what they watched. The fourth thing you should do is test your integration before you go live. Make sure your registration process is smooth and check that the data from your EverWebinar is flowing into GetResponse as expected. This is crucial, as you don't want any hiccups during your live session. Lastly, let me quickly remind you that you can use EverWebinar for free through the first link in the description below. Plus, if you sign up today, you'll get an exclusive extended free trial, so you can test everything out without any risk. Now you've got the complete integration set up. You can start leveraging both GetResponse and EverWebinar to boost your webinar business and make your marketing more efficient. Remember, the integration helps you save time while automating key tasks, so you can focus on what really matters, creating great content and engaging with your audience.